Bhí cumann amach ar an Lú a Roinn cethair agus dhearg le ardú céim a bhaint amach. Ina gcuingas Cluiche Ceannais bhí champagne an Larry Maher Fermanagh. Beag an dar na míocht sa chur Nicky record níos déanís sa bbliain agus charach bóin seo ardú manama de Arnacha rih hús na craimh ar an darlá déag de bhí brán.
Yeah, we're relatively happy with what we've done in the league so far. You know, the boys worked really hard and managed to put 5 wins back to back to gain promotion, which was what we wanted to do at the start of the year.
It was our goal at the start of the year, is try to go out and get back up into Division 3, which we've done now. Thank God we've gone probably unbeaten in the league. There was a lot of tight matches in there, but thank God we got over the line and we've got promoted.
We've got a situation now where 2 teams go up and 2 teams come down, so it's probably going to take a wee year or 2 to bed in, but there certainly was additional games. We enjoyed it, we thought it was good, and certainly benefited us in Fermanagh.
We see ourselves now going into Division 3, being able to hold our own now next year because it's a bit more balanced in that division as well. So overall I think that the divisions are probably evenly matched up now.
We probably feel a little bit disappointed in that we didn't know about the fixture until Tuesday at lunchtime, which we feel probably didn't do respect to ourselves or to Louth. This is a national final and it would be nice for us boys to get in and showcase what we do in Louth and what we do in Fermanagh in Crow Park. So look, it's here today, we just got to get on with it, but yeah, certainly a little bit disappointed.
Mícheál Tristáin ha man tráchtruachta.
Sé cúlbáire an Lú Conor Clancy captain na fórna don Cluiche Ceannais Sraith agus lína lán cúládró sa cóir le John Casey, Conor Quigley agus Stephen Kettle. Tosathe din céad scoith an Lú cumad súlach go háirithe ar an fear sa cúnge Darren Gagan. Dúireach is leis an Lú fuair an láid around heag Fermanagh don Cluiche agus an co-captain a measc an lína lán cúl Sinead Ronan McGurn. Caoilán Duffy agus Kieran Duffy hosnó go Lár Park, Tom Keenan an co-captain eile agus lán tosaí contuirteach is se Sean Corrigan. So good Nash ag Fermanagh. And a cluháin caiilte sa Pórta Sraith agus is sin godain na gcuine chun tá Lú. Dá heh an ó míoch ar fad. Tríd sa cúnge agus clipper Dimmerhorí Gírig brethir sitar ag deire tá ag Fermanagh an Kensa. Sleann tríd Bruins ar cosantóirí Lú an Kensa Ísel. Fad na talún agus cúil an son ag Sean Corrigan. Lán tosaí an son ó Armanach agus cúil luach a cosisiúd cíime de ríist. And slittery Prabishtak, Tom Keenan Portugal sa Cluiche agus ag Darren lán tosaí Corrigan ag Creek Núsa Líontán. Scoráilí na fórna gotí seo cosisiúd. Seachtain cúnge, deis ag bharistigh an son Sinead Shane Keneally an Canson Trorhisteach scór maith go siúd. Agus bút agus snast an son ag Leon Fox. Spás an son deis ag Darren Gagan. Cúigú cúlí nesa chéile do siúd an son Sean Ona ag an chéad ceann ó Nimmert. Agus an Lú ag fiosú go cinnte. Is Fermanagh ag i'r túsmach chuir le cuasaí. In san tarna le pas seasta go clist an son agus tá deis ag Francis McBrien an a scóir fada go siúd. Brewer a Creek na go snasta. Bhfuil a déanamh ag cosantóirí Armanach is ag cuid ar Nash ag Derek Darren Gagan na Garage Black better will Cunter and so Shanter Coolan pass gone of a úntaach Neil and Cunter Clantic a full stop her and Lena ar chuma agent Fadna Taluna Rish and Coolbara Chris McKiernan and a din of Dohan is Stig and son Fermanagh ag Marachtan go Contorjak ag Dera Eiska Amachtin Lán Tosaí agus Haran Chasná ag Derek Sean Flynn ach bhí cúpla seans reisin ar Cool ag an Lú. An dóibh le bheith mar mórtas Nicky record an san bhliain seo agus iad ag súla sin ach ba bhráilotha bua stratha háirteach tín fiachtas sin deis ag Fermanagh John Duffy an trosá Haran Chasná a siad fós an immert an tá. Lú beáí níos fearcatí seo Buristeach ríis dín cúine agus smachta stig an son ag Conor Murphy Mach an son agus deis ag an anna dí sin é Paddy Lynch Scoring chat beáí níos fosa don Lú an sa Creek na go maith ag Lynch agus caiilte agus ag iargé ag Alternash tá Lú se an anna dí deis ar scór beidir cin tóca mú an sa David Stevens an annig isteach ó cíineh an Lú ag fécinn go maith agus tá seo I trúcha agus an adó gearrig séite siad an Lú curtha Roinn cethair na strahamán am líana agus an bua tailte go maith acu.
Oh, very proud, the boys have trained really hard, and the one thing you have to look at here is we have a lot of young lads we're trying to feed into the team for the next 2 or 3 years, and this makes a big deal to that. And them boys was all tugged out as they done the warm up and that with us, so we're trying to just get the conveyor belt going, and hopefully they'll join up with us. So it's great to get the victory for them, especially. It was mucky conditions playing a final, and these finals deserve to be in headquarters in Croke Park, and we feel it's, as a whole group here, it's disappointing for both us and Fermanagh and any other team that was going to make this league final that were not probably treated the same as everybody else. It was a big disappointment to the lads because they put the exact same effort in as anyone else, and there's 1 or 2 games on in Croke Park today. Why not put two hurling, 2 football on in Croke Park? And we hope that this is rectified soon, because they're not going to keep hurling going in these counties if they don't respect them.